Does a valve core have threads? The valve core is similar to a Schrader valve that goes into a tire that holds the air in. But in HVAC nomenclature, the valve core actually retains the refrigerant in the system without it leaking through. Now, sometimes these do get old, but the question here, does the valve core have threads? So as we can see right here, one would turn clockwise to tighten the valve stem, or to remove the valve stem, one would turn counterclockwise to remove the valve stem. But it appears that it has threads right here, and the threads hold some type of grommet or whatever here to inhibit the refrigerant leak. And when this is closed, the refrigerant cannot go through if the valve stem's good. But when this is depressed in, the refrigerant flows this direction here. Thank you.